Oh, come on.
Are you a little chef?
It's cold. What's going on, everybody? My name is Tyler from Homegrown Haven Farm, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to build a raised garden bed using pretty much trash. Scrap wood, offcuts, anything you can find, really. These particular scraps I got from work. I just sort of slowly pilfered them over time, and now I have all of these. This is actually a mix of hickory and walnut, so they're both hardwoods that are rot resistant. So even though they're thin, they should do pretty well with having soil in them over time. But, let's get going here. I'm just going to slap these things together. It's pretty cold, so I don't want to spend too much time out here. Let's go.
It's all over, lawbreaker.
I gotta check these for spiders. So I do just want to clarify, I did not steal these pieces of wood. I got these for free from my job. They were just going to be thrown away. These were actually offcuts from larger shelf pieces and some tables that went to a restaurant. Here I've got them cut to about 8-inch pieces, or 8-inch sides, and I've got them slotted just, hickory walnut, and then I'm just going to cut these. But yeah, if anyone is interested in doing what I'm doing, just try and find a local wood shop, and then just ask around if you can have some scraps. Okay, so I've got all these pieces cut, and the next step is I'm going to take the shorter sides, and I'm just lining them up, making sure they're flush, on top of these little post pieces, and then I'm just going to nail them in place. Don't tell me you're out of battery. Lame. Okay, care to try again? Oh, come on. Okay, it's been like 20 minutes. I swear. What's happened? Something has happened. What the hell just happened? I have no idea why it just started working. We're just gonna go with it. Come on, baby, just a few more to go. Okay. And that's how you make. And that is how you make a garden bed. I think that's going to do it for me for tonight. We'll get back to this thing tomorrow and get it placed and filled and set up. So.
What are you doing, silly girl?
Maybe you'd like to learn. What would you like to learn? Some cooking? You want to learn how to be a chef? Chef Clover? Are you a little chef? Are you a little chef? You are! A cook in the kitchen?
Is Daddy making you laugh?
We're gonna teach you how to make bacon.
Are you a sweetie? Mwah!
Alright guys, it is the next day. We're about to head out there and fill this bed up. You wanna come with me?
Hey, get out of there. Get out of there.
Mm-mm. Down.
Good boy. Man, what a difference.
Okay, that's that. Nothing to it. Now comes the task of filling the bed, which I've also got a plan for. I'll be back in a minute. Somebody wanted to say hello, she said. What are you doing out there? Making a YouTube video without me?
What is that? Hey, is that you? What's happening? What is this magic?
She's okay. If we take a look inside that bag has been sealed for about 6 months now, and it went from, fresh grass to dead, decaying grass that turned white, anaerobic, and now it is this dark brown, sort of half-decayed thing going on. The way I like to think about it is a pizza with no cheese, right? So it's like, it's got a lot of stuff in it that, you would need for a pizza or good compost. It's just missing a few things. So if we just add that, you've already got like most of the stuff that you need. If you think about it from a worm's point of view, if food's available and it's not like exactly what the worm wants, do you think that worm's really gonna care? That's a good start. Let's keep going with some depleted soil. Yeah, here's the issue. The dirt's frozen solid, and I can't use this. Let's see what else I can do. Besides that soil, there is a good amount of soil in the greenhouse that I can keep underneath all these water jugs. Actually, I think they're doing their job pretty well. So there seems to be some sort of mycelium growth. There's a tiny little mushroom right there. No spiders, no spiders, no spiders. Just a little stink bug. I know you're probably thinking, that's way too much to fit in that bed. But by the time you water everything down and time packs it down, there's probably not enough. So this might look like, kind of a mess, but there's a lot going on here. Yeah, this will break down over time. We're gonna have some really good usable material here. And that's basically gonna create a denser material at the bottom that's gonna retain water, and then a light material at the top that's gonna be much more filled with air and act as a mulch. Just one more time, I'm gonna dig in here. Just like that, we've cleared away what was on top, which is the light material that is all sort of funneled to the top. Now we've got this soil in here, which is dry right now, but once we get a few rains in, and also keep in mind it's January, it is just barely above freezing. There's still snow on the ground, and I couldn't even use the soil in the wheelbarrow because it was frozen. So this just needs a little bit of water to it, rehydrate it, really flush these nutrients in, and this is going to be like really good grow medium.
And for the very last thing, I'm just going to grab some hardwood mulch and throw a layer of that down. That should keep everything moist and overall just looking really good for a thumbnail. And that is that. That is how you build a raised garden bed from scraps.
Thanks very much for watching, guys. Make sure to leave the video a like and subscribe if you're new here. Spread it around if you really liked it. Ooh. I'm Tyler from Homegrown Haven Farm. This is Clover. We'll see you guys next time.
It's all over, lawbreaker.
I need to do some work out here, apparently.
What are you even doing right now?
I don't know.
Should have paid the fine.